Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how can you make a desk organizer using a waste cardboard box. Here I'm using a cardboard box of cornflakes. After marking, cut it using cutter or scissor. After cutting it, take a wrapping paper. Wrap the cardboard box using this paper. You can use any wrapping paper. If you are having a holographic wrapping paper, then you can also use that. And you can also use fabric for wrapping it. Apply glue and paste the paper. You can use any school glue or white glue. You can get this wrapping paper from any stationery shop or from dollar store. You can get these wrapping paper from any stationery shop or from dollar store. Okay, so now let's wrap the second one. Okay, so for more decoration, I am using lace. Take two cardboard pieces of rectangular shape and wrap them using pattern paper. Okay, so your desk organizer is ready. Now you can keep your desk supplies on it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.